Okay, welcome back to MPFL Tatafo, the brand new season. After that long break from the 2020-2021 season, now we don't come back again for the 2021-2022 season. We just start off. And of course, they start off with so many expectations, so many excitement, and so many brilliant football where we see over the weekend. And we get a lot to talk about for the NPFL today. Myself and Timmy, of course, you may say, yes, Sawadinho, now my name. And as long as this season is concerned, now me and Timmy, now get around about chop no coach, chop no coach.
My salary don't. My salary don't increase like that.
Okay, write me a letter.
Next week, you know, now only you want to do the show.
Write me a letter. No,
it's okay.
Write me a letter.
Okay.
Tell me
it's okay.
how much you want to add to your salary.
It's okay. It's just simple. Just 6 figures. It's okay.
Okay, so after all the long wait, the league they start, and this time around under a new management because the LMC they don't approve the appointment of Davidson Owumi as the new CEO of the LMC. We'll talk about Davidson Owumi, and then we'll talk about the Nigerian Professional Football League. We just start. Once again, very big welcome to you, Timmy.
Yeah, Sawa, thank you very much. Thank you to all the fans where they always watch NPFL Tatafo for our YouTube page, footballrepublicng.com. You could say the league don't finally start.
Yeah.
Even though say they start late, but they say better late than never.
Yeah.
So you could say we don't start. My joy and I say at the year say the league will continue even for festive period.
Yeah.
So now the joy for me. Now I hope say as we don't start, we no go say they get dramas again. We go make us halt or stop the league.
Yeah.
For when season don't already start fully in swing like this. So I did very happy. So now the truth be that I did very happy. And also you talk about Owumi. I believe so we'll talk about him. But now another thing we say I am happy about. Say finally we don't get CEO where we say in understand club football and how to run club football, the administration of club football, in understand them and in there the helms of affairs. So that one says sweet my belly. So I'm happy to be here once again, Sawa.
And hopefully Owumi will fit translate the running of club football in experience with Rangers and Warri Wolves to the LMC proper. Not been first time anyways. Remember when we've been the NPL, he himself been follow the run the league. But sharply make we see the match day one results of the NPFL, and after that we will get somebody who will join us, to talk about the outcomes of match day one results. This now the match day one results we'll get for the NPFL for match day one. Some of the games we stand out. We've been see the Abia Derby when Eyimba beat Abia Warriors 2-1, and then we see that a 6-goal thriller between Heartland and Nasarawa United, the defending champions of the league. Aqua United then trash Kano Pillars 3-0. Now another game where we did touch light, and then the only away win for match day one, Rangers then go beat Katsina United 2-1. Other results stay for the NPFL, but this now our major focus. And on this note, we want to say welcome to somebody where they join us. Very big fish himself. Big fish we go join us. Talk about match day one games
Octopus.
For the NPFL. The octopus himself, Fisayo Dairo. Fisayo, welcome to NPFL Tatafo.
Good morning, my people. I'm very happy to join on the show. I know a big fish, so I still be one small boy.
Oh, guy, you big fish.
For my Kudoku for a year. But they're very happy. Anytime the Republicans, they call me to join them because I'm not saying I'll be the best for this country.
Oshé! Baddest. Okay, Fisayo, sharply. We don't pick our own 4 games where we face in our standout games for the match day one. We don't know whether that one sync with your standout games, but just sharply give us your own take on match day one, the games where you see, and your pick from match day one generally.
Make I quick correct you say one away we get for Katsina. The fact say Lemon Stars go beat MFM.
Yeah, and another away win.
Like saying the away win. Because two of them they close to each other, they play each other well. But Lemon Stars they for Ogun State.
Yeah.
That's why I say Ogun and Lagos one join together. It's still not take away from them. Say now where we take open the league on Friday.
Yes, now where we not true Friday match.
So, we get to away wins, and those 2 matches they follow for part of my own pick. The Lemon Stars since they bring Gumote, they do plenty things for pre-season, including one pre-season tournament where they knock shooting starts 4-0 for final. Now since then we don't look like this team. They don't want to do, they lie, they always do, they promote this year, they relegate the following year. Like they don't want to go this time around. And like you talk, Katsina, losing at home for Rangers, nobody expects them. 2 goals to 1 that one. Osi Martins and Chidebere Iwobudo with those ones. And then I've been there about on Sunday for the Abia derby between Enyimba and Abia Warriors. So that one go easily fit into my own 4 because now better football where I enjoy between the match between 2 Port Harcourt boys, Feludi George and Imama Mapakabo. And then Aqua United against Kano Pillars, 3-0 for the champions. Now the very best way for them to say this season we mean business.
Okay, best way to say this season we mean business. And to me, another game, now that's game for the Heartland game against Nasarawa United. Normally, when people they talk about Nigerian Professional Football League games, I mean, not be all the time will they see games give us more than 2-3 goals. But this one, 6 goals. And then Nasarawa United, surprisingly to me, you yourself, you been stake, say, Nasarawa United go away, win or draw. What inform that your prediction?
Well, if you check out Nasarawa United from last season, now that same form, be like they still carry come. Apart from Silas, where I feel say maybe not the only player you see them lose, more or less. We no deal with. I don't know whether I still deal with them though, because you never can tell with all these Nigerian players. But the truth of the matter is, Nasarawa United then get some crop of players, and a steady coach will say, it be like he don't understand the league. Balani Q, I think, now be the coach.
Okay.
If you check them from last season, Sawa, you go see say then do well towards the end of the season. They been start well, they can't go off form. Then towards the end of the season, they consider they pick up again.
Yeah.
So they enter final
for the
of the ITO Cup.
Yeah.
But not just by chance, by luck, all those kind of things work together for Bayelsa United. We make them win them. So for Nasarawa United, their form now something we say I don't check out. I don't say these guys once they want play ball, they're ready to play ball and they're ready to score goals. And that's why I give them to them. Also, you look at Heartland Football Club. Since when Fidelis come out, Fidelis when they come out for Heartland, maybe they complain about problems where the club get.
Yeah.
And when coach they come out, they talk say, they come out because of this problem, and no fix this problem. The same coach will complain say they never pay them salary. The same coach will complain say they put them for staff quarters. The same coach will complain say the place where they put them, the quarters where they put them, it don't make sense for players. So once coach don't they complain about these things and they can finally come out, you don't create big lacuna. Mark, I speak English now for that kind arrangement. So for Heartland, I feel so they get administrative problems. So you say they need to sort out first before they will consider they get results on top pitch of play. And also, don't forget, say, I always talk, say, no matter how you want to take the form, say, Imo State na your state or one state na your state, if you come up from your normal ground, sometimes it be a disadvantage for you in a way. Because for me, I feel, say, we're normally in their center, or we're normally in their place. But Okigwe, another place where we say, teams feel say last time they feel say okay, this place will be their home. They feel get fans, but the truth of the matter we say players will always understand place where we say they're based. Place where we say they be their home. For Heartland, me, I'm not too surprised they then draw. But what it shocked me now say, then come back from goals down. They were 2 goals down, then come back. So that spirit still there inside of them. And I feel saying that something we say maybe if they latch on to that spirit of say they feel come back from goals down, 1 goal down, 2 goals down, maybe that one feel spot them up. But then their administrative problem, they need to sort them out and also make sure say they pay players. I still hear stories say one fan go attack their media officer, Solomon Onu. That one a story for another day, but then
when league never start. But the final 10 minutes of that game or so, thereabout, Nasarawa United been get red card. They been get somebody sent off for that match, and then they hold on to collect at least 1 point, from Imo State comeback. Fisayo, what did I want to tell you about the resilience of this Nasarawa United side? Talking about the build-up from last season. I mean, with Silas Wankwo and the rest of them. This guy now with this Sweden, we just the Tebo Franklin and all of that. Even in their absence, let's say they just continue in that fantastic form. The resilience, 1 man down and they still collect 1 point.
Yeah, I think sometimes they can't believe when the team gets, they always matter as well. Yes, if you know Nigerian league clubs very well, you could not say changes they always do year after year. Players, they always be free to move. And just like Timmy don't talk, if Chukwueze come out during Enyimba, Tebo Franklin, like you mentioned, into Sweden, another centre back of them, during Campinas. So they bring in new players. One of these is one Manchester defender, a character who don't start for them for winning. You know, and what will change? They say their coach still remain.
Yeah.
Balanikiu. So I think say Balanikiu don't be able to translate the same thing spirit to the players when they ground.
Okay.
You know, Tyler still there. I bet they get some other players too, like Michael Tochukwu, who's in last day first because he start for William Sunday, and in alongside Aliyu Abdullahi. I agree with you for that. Aito Company, I remember waiting Aliyu Abdullahi do one bad move before he plays assist one of the goals. Now the kind of quality where they still get when they retain for that team. So that's pretty still there. Even as they concede that red, even as they get that red card, maybe they need 2-1. After they go like 2-2, after they go 3-2-1,
yes,
and then they can't get a red card. They're still able to still pull out that equalizer. That one are down to team spirit. If you like, change 5 players. Look at Enyimba, for example, they change like 10 players. But they always maintain that team spirit, which they always say about winning and resilience, never give up spirit. So, and that kind of thing with Tipo Away on Sunday.
Okay, now some of the results we'll see for match day 1, some of the standard results we'll see be that Nasarawa United pick points against Heartland for Owerri 3-3, 9 that match end. And of course, Enyimba win their game for the Abia Derby against Abia Warriors 2-1. Finidi George up against Imamama Pakabo, like you hear him, of course, to Port Harcourt boys. And of course, Finidi George, they continue in 100% record with Enyimba since in take over. They never drop any points. They ask me, say, I don't be just first match. They don't actually play like 2-3 games for the continent, and they don't win all of them. 3 games for the continent, and they don't win all those games. So 100% record still continue for Coach Finidi George, where they make in debut for Nigerian Professional Football League. And of course, Kano Pillars, I mean, no be good day for them against Akwa United for Uyo. Akwa United trashed them 3-0. Match day 2 games go happen, and the sweet thing I say, this match day 2 games go happen Boxing Day. Now, normally, when our league start, if our league just start, whether it starts 2 weeks to Christmas or 3 weeks to Christmas,
they will go Christmas break.
They will go Christmas break. Meanwhile, Christmas period, now the period where people they find where
to go.
They want go flex,
go enjoy,
exactly, go relax with their family, just come off for house. You know, as long as safety is guaranteed, security is guaranteed, and all of these things.
And good football is guaranteed.
And good football is guaranteed. You know, people go like Kokomot, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Lagos, different places. So, to me, the marketability of this festive season, it blessing and now where our head
or eye don't open
to enter inside. We will see games for Christmas period.
So now something we say, me I even surprised. I shocked when I see say fixtures go happen 26, because normally the excuse what they always get. Now say because most of the clubs that they play are government clubs. And you know say governments parastatal, they always go break Christmas break, all those things. They'll say ministry never release money, no money for this one, no money for transport, all those excuse, you know, they this time around. And now something we say, it be like LMC want to the key into, because like them or not, Nigerian fans, yes, they feel they plenty for field or for stadium. But the truth be say, there are some who be say go just say, okay, stadium, something happen, Moku just go see.
Just go see.
Imagine say Kano Pillars now they play Lobby Stars. You know, okay, make I even come out that one. Make I use another example. Shooting Stars Akwa United. You know say some Akwa Ibomites, they feed the Ibadan.
Yes.
They feel no get where to go, but
they feel no travel back for Christmas.
For Christmas, they feel just stay around for Ibadan.
Yes.
They will just say, Akwa United day town, make I go see my own people. You understand that kind of concept? So now sometimes we say, as you talk, the marketability, you go there for you to fit market your league more, so that people go feel they see them more. English Premier League, one of the biggest league in the world.
Now December
period, and that festive period.
They get record
families they travel come just to come bond for that period. So now something we say we feel take advantage of, and I hope Sawase it will continue. This one will be just one off because the reason why they want to do this one is because they don't day late for calendar. Maybe now that's why they want quickly rush the fixtures. But then Sawa now good initiative we say we gas continue. Christmas period, Easter period, even public holidays.
We use
create matches for those periods so that fans go fit come. The ones that will travel go that town, them go fit come watch their team play.
All right, these are the games we would expect for match day 2 from the NPFL. Kano Pillars, they play against Lobby Stars. Rivers United, then they up against Katsina United. Remo Stars, they host Heartland. Remo Stars then win their match on Friday against MFM. So they go there in high spirits. Newly promoted side, they host Heartland Football Club of Owerri. Abia Warriors and Sunshine Stars, they go lock horns for Aba. And of course, Shooting Stars go take on Aqua United. Dakada FC, where they also trash for match day 1, they go to host Mountain of Fire. Miracles will lose their match day 1 fixtures. Enugu Rangers and Eyimba Oriental Derby this time around for the Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium for Enugu. And then Plateau United go entertain Kwara United. Wiki Tories up against Niger Tornadoes, another Northern Derby. And of course,
Wiki, their last match, Mogutoko, they never set them out.
Yes, they postponed the match. Abi?
The team is saying they're supposed to play on Sunday.
Yes.
They no show face on Sunday.
Yes.
They say whether their players no complete or something. Sunshine Stars can't travel, go back to Akure because they send them go Jebu, they go play that match. But when Sunshine Stars don't already reach Akure, now we can say they conduct a match. What do they call that thing?
Pre-match
briefing, all those things with Wiki Tories.
Make we bring Fisayo Dairo in once again.
He's an LMC person.
He's an LMC person for that Wiki Tories and Sunshine matter. Make we bring Fisayo Dairo in. Now they run this league, Fisayo. Wiki Tories and Sunshine match where we no play for match day 1. I beg fill us in on the details of that one.
Well, part of correction, don't be around the league.
You follow.
Continue.
But, I think what happened for that day is okay, Wiki Tourists, they've been alive Jebu for the match, but if you have a player when they owe money, the player can't carry them go FIFA. FIFA can't tell them, say, they don't feel register players. It follow for part of the nonchalant behaviors of our teams. When they go new season, when I know say judgment they on top on our head, say I don't feel sign any new players. Now the kind of thing we happened to Atlant last season, we make Atlant lose some matches at the start of the season.
Okay.
They see they bring in new players when they don't say they don't feel register these players unless then pay off the players where FIFA instruct them to pay. So around that time, first 2, 3, 4 matches, now the kind of time when Nasara been go beat them for where they 2 and that last season. So at the same kind of thing with Wiki Tories, then they hope say FIFA will clear them by Friday, by Saturday. They carry all the new players reach the goal. The clearance no come. As they can't reach there, they come say they need to bring good players. By Sunday they say now only 7 players day to play match. So the match attends everybody. As at 6:58 p.m. on Sunday, this is not the information we didn't benefit. Maybe my man, when they tell me, he said at 6:58 p.m. on Sunday, they try to reach agreement, say maybe play the match on Monday, so that the old boys when they come from Bochi will not land by Sunday evening, and they have the ball to play on Monday. Such a person make Wiki pay them their hotel bills for Sunday, like say they're not prepared to stay overnight, say then won't return to Djibouti. Apparently, Socha not even return to Akure that day. They still sleep for Djibouti overnight, but they refuse to play the match. So after everything, as they approach, and just say, thank God, say Windows still there. There are a lot of windows mid-season. So since the 2 teams, nobody ready to imbibe the spirit of fair play.
Yeah.
So they say, okay, we don't postpone the match indefinitely, and they go bring out punishment for both teams in days to come.
Wow. Thank you for that very in-depth. Because I won't borrow the words of Charles. This one no be holding the league to ransom. He say, I go play, I no go play. I go play, I no go play.
In a simple thing, what is Fisayo explain now? Now, based on the story where we say then don't tell us.
Okay.
Now, the story where they tell us, we will not say they wrong.
Yeah.
Because normally you're not supposed to owe player till the next season. You're supposed to pay player. Now, when the player can't carry you, go FIFA. Now you can't they get sense, say, you guys do this, you guys do that. Now,
and then judgment already there on top of
exactly.
your head. So, bring in,
for me, if I be Sunshine chairman, I no go agree. 3 points must be allocated to me because that match, they're supposed to play them on Sunday.
Okay.
And I don't arrange, say, I go play this match on Sunday. So if you can't get problem with your own players, not be my problem, Sawa.
Okay.
Not be my own problem. Now your own problem. Now you guys fix that problem.
Yeah.
You understand? So my own grouse now, or my own problem with this issue now, I say LMC won't kind of play this one diplomatically. Say me then replay this match. If I be Sunshine, I no go agree. Because I report for match, you get players. Now you know clear your players the season before.
Yeah.
Even though say Sunshine Stars, we know say they owe their player, but they don't they able to appease their player. They no carry their matter go court, go FIFA.
Yeah.
So for me, Wiki Tourist now they're supposed to lose 3 points and 3 goals for this game. No two ways about it, Sawa. No two ways. So I feel say, in as much as LMC, like it's how you talk now, he not saying to be member, but I know say him, at least he now one of them. Exactly. So, but the truth we say, Sawa, Moku face the truth and say it as it is.
Okay.
Sunshine Stars report for match, the day of match.
That is does it amount to match for feature, or that is say you
Sawa,
abandon match?
You not be say you abandon match. You don't come out for match.
Okay, you don't even come out.
You don't even come out.
For match you're supposed to come out.
For match when you say you're supposed to come out, you can't tell me say I wait till the next day when I don't get official statement from the league organizers. So this thing I feel saying now sometimes we say it's supposed to be straightforward. But you know say Nigeria no be straightforward country.
Okay.
Nigeria going
our framework, our LMC framework, then they continue, they static continue or they amend them every season, Fisayo? The same framework we use last season, the same framework we use like that they go.
Yeah, then they amend the frameworks, but for this new season, I don't think they don't add anything new.
Okay.
When we use last.
So you fit predict waiting the likely punishment or outcome fit be, or waiting the likely judgment based on the waiting the frameworks carry.
For this social wiki game.
Yes.
I think the judgment could be saying they go replay the match because just that it could be a punishment for Vicky to pay the expense of Sunshine Stars.
Okay.
The one thing the LNC have always frowned at is giving away points from the boardroom.
Okay.
You know, if you are able to argue your case and maybe go to ONG or to NFF appeals committee like Rivers United been doing last season in the case of Chicago this has. But for LNC, they showed me say wait they go the game they go share the game to play at a later date with Sunshine Stars paying Wiki Tourist paying the indemnities and the expenses of Sunshine Stars.
All right, Chapali, we could just take your take on match day 2. Which game go definitely catch your fancy? And of course, we sent away good day the cover for us.
I think Kano Pillars against Ruby Stars now a game we supposed to make sense because Pillars they go back to Kaduna when they play last season and Ruby Stars they never do too well since they didn't take over from pre-season. Just on Sunday they drop points against Rivers United, so I think that game will be a big game to watch. And another game will be Rangers against Enyimba because that game now no good day for Enugu. The Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium for Enugu, they don't come out the pitch.
The pitch?
They want the new pitch.
Wow.
I know say for Nigeria, but that thing will happen easily. So this season, for the first 2-3 matches or so, LNG don't approve a Fanba Stadium for Nnewi, for Rangers.
Okay.
So that game would be for Nnewi.
Neutral ground.
And I don't talk say if you need win the first 4 matches.
Yes.
You would think say this is an opportunity to add more points.
Yes.
For the one thing done for them.
For
so
neutral.
that game could be one game to also look out for. But as for me, I think that I'm happy between Rangers and Katsina. And between Rivers and Katsina for what happened to Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You go house. You go there house.
Well, I think we need to preach about pitches where will they use for our NPFL, and of course it would be a good thing if, for instance, now for the Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium they can't lay a pitch similar to what we get for Aba. Or what we get for hybrid, that Aba pitch, na hybrid pitch, and then or maybe something very natural as what we get for Uyo and all of that. At least this one's going to help us. I mean, not be the kind of things we will see for the Adokia Miesemaka Stadium. Sadly, we know if we get CAF accreditation, but I think he get accreditation to host MPFL matches. I think Rivers United will play for Dokia this year. Now Dokia they will play their matches now.
Yes, they play for the
And Dokia will not get CAF accreditation, but we don't go talk bad about our league.
LMC approve them, so no problem.
We don't go talk bad about our league. Okay, so with all of those match day 2 analysis and everything, now here we will say thank you very much for joining us for this very first episode of MPFL Tatafo. Now they tell them they cut. Now we go cut.
Peace.
We'll tell you where we go cut.
Peace.
Okay, thank you very much. This now MPFL Tatafo. No go anywhere.
Football Republic.